Hello, students. I hope all of you are doing good. And yeah, I have not yet received last class assignment classwork. I don't know why, but yes, we have completed till question 3 in our previous classes. Okay, so today we will be doing this one. Let's discuss question 4, 5, and 6. This is a very simple one, simple question. So let's learn this one. Let's do this together. I want you all to, yes, write, do your work in time and submit in time, okay? So let's look at this question 4. Write the successor of the fifth multiple of the given numbers. So how we will do here? Write the successor. As we all know what is successor in predecessor, it is asking write the successor of the fifth multiple of the given numbers. So question 4a is given. What is, let me first ask you, what is successor? Successor तो क्या है? Successor means number is given here, right? Plus 1, simple. Predecessor means minus 1. ये सब पढ़ा है ना हम लोग in our term 1 किताब में भी है. We have already learned what is successor and what is predecessor. So successor में क्या होता है? Plus 1 करता है, and predecessor we have minus 1, right? So it is asking write the successor of the fifth multiple of the given number. So fifth multiple वाला कौन सा वाला होगा? Fifth multiple of 4 will be how much? कैसा फाइंड आउट करेगा? 4 1 जा 4, 2 का कितना? 3 4 5. फिफ्थ वाला का हम लोग सक्सेसर लिखना है. So 4 1 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8, 4 3 जा 12, 4 4 जा 16, 4 5 जा 20, right? This is our rough work. So fifth multiple of 4 will be 20, right? Yes or no? So successor will be how much? Let's just write successor of fifth multiple. Successor of fifth multiple will be plus 1 होता है ना. 20 plus 1 will be 21. Successor of fifth multiple is 21, right? Fifth multiple वाला 20 हो जाएगा. तो successor ask कर रहे तो it will be plus 1. So 2 1 21. This way we have to write. I hope you understood. I'm repeating again. Successor plus 1. ठीक है? So fifth वाला 10 का fifth multiple कितना होगा वो आप अपना से find out करो and write the successor. I want you to submit this classwork by today itself, okay? Last class, previous class one also, you have to check out our previous class lessons and do your work, okay? Now let's discuss this question 5. Write first 5 multiple of the given number and circle the even multiples. So see here, let's repeat the question again. Write first 5 multiples of the given numbers and circle the even multiples. Now we all know what are evens and what are odd, right? So it is asking question 5 में क्या ask कर रहा है बोलने से 13 का 5 multiples लिखना है like this, okay? 5 multiples and after that क्या करना है? Circle करना है. किसको circle करना है? कौन सा को? Even multiples को. So let's write down here 13 multiple का 13 1 is 13, 13 2 is यहाँ में if you don't know 13 double तो ऐसा करके find out कर सकता है, right? 3 2 is 6, 2 1 is 2. So 13 1 is 13, 13 2 is 26, 13 3 is कितना होता है? 39 I guess. 39, right? 13 4 is 3 4 is 12, 4 is 4, 52. 1 2 3 4 last 13 5 जा फाइंड आउट करेगा. 3 5 जा 15, 1 in hand 65 होता है ना. So ये है 5 multiple of 13 is 1 2 3 4 5. 13 का 5 times लिखना है. 31 is 13, 26, 39, 52, 65. Now let's look at this 5 digit and let's find out which is the even multiples. Even multiples कौन सा वाला होगा? 13 no, because see ones place में दिखा जाए तो 3 is odd number, right? यहाँ में 26, 6 is even, right? So इसको circle करेगा. And what about 9? 9 is odd, right? So this is not even. 2 is even number, so इसको call करेगा. And 65 is odd. So we got here 26 and 52. This is the even number. Now you understood, right? What is how to do this one. So question 5 का भी we have two numbers, so I'm giving you one to do, okay? Question B में 5 दिया हुआ है, so 5 का 5 multiples लिखो and find out the even multiples, okay? Now let's discuss this question number 5. This is very simple. हाँ, यहाँ में देखो. हाँ, circle the wrong multiples in each of the following. We have already discussed what are multiples and what are factors. So in this exercise we are doing with multiples. So in question 6 it is asking circle the wrong multiples in each of the following. Multiples के लिए क्या बोला? What I have said in our previous class, multiples का multiplication जानना है आपको, right? So यहाँ में क्या पूछ रहा है? Circle the wrong multiples in each of the following. So multiples of 8 का यहाँ में दिया हुआ है. Multiples of 8. So you have to find out which is wrong multiples of 8. So इसको अपना से करेगा, okay? You have to find out the wrong multiples और इसको goal करो, okay? In question B, multiples of 11 is also given here. So 11 का multiples कौन सा वाला wrong है? Which number do you think is incorrect? You have to circle that one, okay? Yes, I have all. We have discussed question 4, 5, 6 how to do. So I'm giving you very less lessons to do today, okay? Since you have not completed the previous class 1 chapter also, so I want you to complete that previous one also and today's work today itself, okay? Class work आज का क्या दिया है, you complete today itself and submit today in my number, okay? Very important. We will continue the next exercise next class, that is about factors, okay? So that's it for today. I go through these factors. We will continue in our next class.